Here I have Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, of course, and then when you're in a normal photo mode, just hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. So you just hold it. As you can see, I took like 22 shots right now. Wait, where are my shots? Here I have them, and here we can review them all. So as you can see, here I have lots of my shots, burst shots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.